Good day and welcome. Today we're dealing with University of Abuja Physics Post UTME past question 47. A capacitor has a capacitance of 8 microfarad with vacuum between its plates. Calculate the capacitance when a dielectric with the electric constant 5.0 is placed between its plates. A, it says the capacitance will be 2 microfarad, B 4 microfarad, C 40 microfarad, D 50 microfarad, and E none of the above. Now the first thing you will note is that the capacitance is directly proportional to the dielectric constant. So let's call the capacitance C. Capacitance C is directly proportional to the dielectric constant. Now let's call it D. So due to this proportionality, we also take note that when there is vacuum between the plates of the capacitance, that's in vacuum, or when there is vacuum, the dielectric constant D is equal to 1. So now we have that. I told you the proportionality is direct. I said 8 microfarad. Now for 8 microfarad, the dielectric constant will be 1 because it is in a vacuum, and then when the dielectric constant is 5, the capacitance will be X, something like this. So we can actually cross multiply. When you cross multiply, you have that 1 multiplied by X gives you 8 multiplied by 5. Now 1 multiplied by X gives you X. We have that our X is equal to 8 multiplied by 5, which is 40 microfarad. So the answer is, our answer here is 40 microfarad, and that's the same thing as option C, 40 microfarad. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.